So, that's good. So hey guys, it's Assumed60 here, and I haven't posted in a month, I know. But I'm guessing that one person who's watching this is like, does it look like I give any fucks? If I had a vault of fucks, I would not give it to you. That's probably what you're thinking right now, one person that's watching this video. Well, let me explain why I haven't. Cause there's been a lot of shit going on, and well, first of all, my grandma got put into a retirement home, as you would know from my I think it was the second one. Yeah, so that happened. Then we're moving out, like I mentioned in my first one. It's pretty fucking hectic. I'm not gonna lie, it is. We have to move all our shit, and we're almost done, as you can see. As you can see, this is all we have for furniture. Yep. Literally one chair and a bed. Yeah. But we still have the kitchen, but apparently that's ruled by the cats. All cat territory. I know you're like, oh, there are 2 cats here. What's going on? Well, trust me, if you would look outside, we at least have close to 15 cats. So anyways, there's our new fridge that we did not buy. We got it from our friend, or one of our friends. Really old fridge. So, that's pretty good. So, yay! Old fridge! Gobble, gobble. So, there's little Evie, little Jakey. Where you going, Jakey? You can't go nowhere, Jakey. Yes, you can, Jakey. You can do whatever you want. They're my Evies. Love you, Evie. So, let's go see her little kittens. Yes, she has kittens. She had kittens. There's this male cat outside that impregnated the mother with her. When we found her, that was probably most likely the father of, the mother cat, and then the father impregnated Evie, so now they have this. Look how fucking cute that is. Oh, he's just a little crabby. He's my little Glenn. Glenn the mega horse. If you don't know what that is, well, you have every right to not know what it is, because no one does. Well, I play Red Dead Redemption sometimes, or a lot. So that's what I named my horse. He's the color of Glenn. Well, at least the stomach. Yeah, right, Glenn. He's just being a little crabby. I'll put him back. They're all so cute. This is Ed Honda. It's Glenn's little sidekick. The little mule from Red Dead. Yeah, he's a little crabby. He doesn't like me or anyone for that matter. So anyways, let's go see what the fuck these cool cats are doing. Yeah, I don't give 2 shits anymore. Oh, you little baby's crying, mama. So, yeah, we're almost moved out. We just need to move all the shit in my room and my brother's room, I think. Or maybe he's gonna stay here. I'm not sure yet. But, a lot of shit's been going on in my life, so yeah. And sorry if the camera angle at the beginning of the video was very off-center. I honestly don't want to do anything again. I've done this a fuck ton of times. By a fuck ton of times, I mean each week. I just sort of fuck up. Because I fuck up a lot. I choke. Like your mama. Oh! So, anyway. Anyway. So anyways, I guess that's the end of the video, guys. I'll try to post more regularly. But if I don't, well, if you don't know, I'm a dick. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and such, and share with your friends. Make sure they get roasted with that one joke. And there's a cup. So yeah. Zoom Road 63 out. No, fuck, I'll put the goddamn button. Okay, now I'm out. Wait for it. Wait. Yo, mama chokes on dick. Bye.